Uni na nga ni mga kapadimin, si part 3 kang video ta. Kung sa ina kita ay nag-uuring. Kang inat nga niya na pag video ta, nag voice over kita ning Bicol. So may nag-request ng Tagalog, tinagalog ta. Igwa na naman ngunya, nagre-request, Englishan ko na naman da ay di puta. Kapagal na maray. Pero dahil loves ko kamo, dahil ko kamo bibigoon mga kapadimin, i-Englishan ta naman ang pag voice over ta. Bahala na kamo mag-intindi sa English ko mga kapadimin. And now we are here to remove the clouds of doubt and crystallize the issue. Amen. And I'm telling you the truth, man. This is my very first time to voice over in English language, man. So that's why I did my best. But I guess my best wasn't good enough because here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back for being strangers, wondering where are to stay, or head and out the door. Just once.
Oh my God.
You know, galing. Di putang pagal mag-English, pero tatagaw tayo ni. Let me tell you, padimen, one story about a girl that I met before. Late in the evening, she's wondering what clothes to wear. She's put on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight. So I feel wonderful because I've seen the love lighting in your eyes. And I wonder for it all. So I just don't realize how much I love you. Yeah, day!
Gusto mo mamaya ng 45?
Nakaka 2 minutes pa lang nga na ako mag-voice over ng English. Ay grabe na ang sakit ko. Garo mas masakit pa yun sa trabaho ko sa bukid. Nasabi ko nga niya sa dere ko na I can't take it anymore. But we are Filipino. And most of all, we are the Uragon. The Uragon is the best.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Oh my God.
As you can see, man, my wife is helping me in my job. May regalo ka sa akin mamaya. Fast forward ko na nga niya, talo yun matapos.
Oh my God.
This part of the video, man, I cut the one of the big tree to add for the our project. What? No, man, you will see how Padimen strong is. Sabi nga ni Himan, I am the power. Kilikiling may power. Dami na yan mga kapadimin. Ayan. Mga ano namin. Ulingin. Naghahakot pa tayo. Naghahakot pa ang aking asawa. Yan. Lalaking kahoy niyan. So that's it for today's video mga kapadimin. Hanggang sa susunod na ating video. Don't forget to follow, like, and share mga padimin.
Bye-bye.